guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of the Instant Pot mashed potatoes. Okay, so I let the mashed potatoes cook on manual for 10 minutes. Now it's time to get them out. I got my potato masher here. I'm mashing it up. I actually did a quick release, a natural release for 5 minutes, and then I did a quick release for 5 minutes. And I am going to add a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. I'm going to add a teaspoon of black pepper. Probably not too much black pepper because I do have little ones I got to feed and I don't want it to be too spicy for them. So I'm going to do less than a teaspoon, probably just a quarter of a teaspoon. And you add salt to taste. I might have to add a little bit more salt to this because we do love our salt in this house. And I am actually going to add some butter. And that will just melt in there because it's still really warm in here. And they look delicious. Can't wait to eat them tonight with my meatloaf. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by at my channel and watching. And I hope whenever you make your instant mashed potatoes that they're successful like mine were. Thanks so much. Bye.